it's Tally, and today I'm going to show you how to modify tender types after the transaction has been completed. Bravo makes it easy to modify versus voiding a transaction and starting all over again. Note that this is a same-day solution. Tender types cannot be modified after the store has been reopened. Let's dive in. From the bottom right of the dashboard, select Void View Transactions, and then you're going to find the transaction. If you have the transaction number, this is going to be located on the receipt. If not, you can use the drop-down options here to the left to narrow down your choices by workstation, employee who completed the transactions, till session, or a combination. For this example, we're going to use this transaction completed by Christy Bauer. Select the transaction so that it's highlighted in yellow, and then select View. Once confirmed the correct transaction was selected, choose Next. Select Change Tender Types. For this transaction, the tender should have been a cashier's check, not cash. So you're going to select the correct tender type from the drop-down menu and click OK. A confirmation window will appear stating that the transaction will be modified when Save is selected, and you're going to select OK. Then select Save. On the Void View Transactions, a new line will appear showing that the transaction was modified. That's it. If you have additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks.